What's up, guys? It's your boy JFRY here, and if you guys like me, you guys are having the same issue where YouTube is turning off your comments for no reason. You have your channel set to not made for kids, and you've selected comments are enabled on your videos, but YouTube keeps disabling them. In this video, you're going to find out how to fix that problem. As you guys can see on my newest video, we tested viral TikTok tricks. The comments are disabled. And at first they weren't disabled, but after a while YouTube disabled them. And this is the case for a lot of people as well, from what I've heard. So to fix this, it's very simple. You're gonna want to go to your creator studio, or your YouTube studio. You're gonna want to go to your videos. You're going to want to select the video where the comments are disabled. For example, mine is this one right here. You have to go to Edit, go to Comments, and you have to select Allow All Comments, and hit Update Videos. I understand, and hit Update. Well, now after you did that, as I go to my video, you guys can now see that all of the comments are back to what they were, and you can now get comments in your videos. I hope this helped. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get updates when I post new videos. See you next time. Peace.